See what this nigga got to talk about, man. Come on up in here, man. What's up, gangster?
Been a minute.
What's up? What's up?
Hey, you like my haircut?
You look like a neo-Nazi.
You said what?
You look like a neo-Nazi. Ooh.
Fucking,
You got a face tat?
Oh, yeah. Lit vibes.
What'd it say?
It said lit vibes.
Lit vibes.
Yeah.
Let me see it.
We got link up. Fucking me, you and Wildnut.
Yeah, nah. Fuck is that nigga talking about? I don't know what that nigga talking about. Anyways, they're on some other shit. We ain't condoning that. What the fuck he got going? That was long neck. I gave him a shot, but it was fucking weird. I don't know. Hey, you're linking up with a nigga named Long Neckers. That's kind of sus. You gotta say pause when you talk to that nigga. What he had going on, man?